Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My special mention is demand for inclusion of ethnic indigenous communities, Meitei or Meitei, in the scheduled tribe list under Article 342, Clause 1 of Indian Constitution. Since 2013, the Meitei have made many representations to Honorable Prime Minister, Home Minister, Minister of Tribal Affairs and other union leaders for consideration of including Meitei in the ST list under Article 342, Clause 1, but till today, any positive or concrete action has not been come out from the union and the state government so far, unless they are provided with constitutional safeguard, that is, the ST status. Without further delay, they shall be reduced to minority, being vulnerable to become refugees in their own ancestral land, once a proud nation state for more than 5,000 years. So, I request the Government of India through this House to kindly take up necessary action and instruct the state government to do the needful as early as possible. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.